To redeem a Nike gift card, start by accessing the official Nike website. Once there, browse through the products and select the one you'd like to purchase. Tap on the Shop option and choose a product. For demonstration purposes, a random product will be used. Next, tap the Add to Bag option, followed by the Checkout option. In the Checkout section, you'll find details regarding your purchase, including delivery options. In the Payment section, you can select your payment method and enter your card information. At the top of this section, there's an option to enter a gift card, product voucher, or promo code. Tap on this icon to access the option to enter a promo code. Since this is for a gift card, enter the gift card code and tap Apply. The amount on the gift card will then be applied to the product you're checking out with. After redeeming the gift card amount, you can proceed to check out with the remaining amount. This is a simple way to redeem a Nike gift card.